which designs with intention, balance, and redefines. Here comes a judge on the panel. A fashionista, but an adventurous rider should ride us all, and a passionate teacher who contributes in building nation and shapes the future of our kids. Thank you, ma'am, for coming here. We welcome you on the jury panel. Again, I request everybody with a great round of applause, please welcome our jury for the show. This is a show with a compassion company. Madhu, can I have you? She is the founder of the show, a friend in need. She has been giving smiles to over 100 of children over 15 incredible years. She brings people together with unforgettable moments, creating bubbles of joy, and otherwise, in their busy lives, they help her for the charity. Madhu, I hand over the mic to you.
Yes, we always try to bring a smile on people's face because people are stressed out in their daily life and they need some enjoyment. So I would like you all always to come and support us. I'm very happy to be here and I'm happy for all of y'all that you have come. And I also welcome Mr. Abhishek Khanna. Like he has come and as a chief guest of honor, and I really thank you for taking our time. And I thank all of y'all for being here. And I hope in the future we'll be continuing these types of events.
Please have a seat. I request Abhishek sir to please come forward. So अभिषेक सर बोल रहे हैं कि ट्रॉफी प्योर गोल्ड की है, तो हाँ वो प्योर गोल्ड की है। Ladies and gentlemen, तालियां बजनी चाहिए हमारे यंग एंटरप्रेन्योर। तालियां बजनी चाहिए।
My name is Janvi Budkar. I am 8 years old. My hobbies are dancing, modeling and acting. I live in Mumbai. Thank you.
Every day, छुट्टी की राह देखते हो, छुट्टी के दिन पढ़ते हो, ज़्यादा पढ़ाई नहीं करनी बेटा, खेल कूद भी करना, get ready.
respected jury members, respected judge, and our favorite actor, Abhishek Khanna, and everyone who is present over here. A warm welcome. I'm Anupama Iyer. I'm a banker. I'm a tarot reader as well as occultist, and I'm also associated with the NGO called Sattvam. I believe life is once. It's a gift from Almighty. So live it simple instead of making it complicated. Spread happiness, spread smile, and it's an opportunity. So be associated with the positive vibes and spread and share goodness. Thank you so much.
Welcome the gentleman on the floor. He's rocking the ramp. Oh my God.
Good evening everyone. First and foremost thing I would like to thank Abhishek Khanna sir and welcome to this fashion show. I'm very glad to be a part of this show. Coming to my introduction, I'm Chandrasekhar. By profession I'm a software consultant. My hobbies are living the basic, traveling and making friends. When it comes to travel, I have traveled UK, Europe, Australia. 9% because if you check that there are many uneducated and less educated people, those who are millionaires and billionaires, how they are becoming. This is one of the code I believe that they are following, that success is 99% attitude and just 1% aptitude, then you can become successful in life. Thank you.
Shekharji, my question to you is, what is your goal for 2026 and how are you looking forward to pursue it?
Hello. Yeah. Thank you, Tejas, for this question. Every year comes with some set of goals. Some will remain unachieved and some will go beyond the expectations. My goal for 2026 is, as I'm a software consultant, I am planning to travel abroad and work on multinational clients.
So especially for 2026, my goal is to
We
travel
continue.
to Middle East countries. So the achievement is that since I'm into technology, so what I'm doing is we need to, the technology is updating day by day. For example, it is the big data science and AI technology is booming. So I want to learn some new technologies and step by step I'm planning to go and achieve that goal. Thank you.
They'll go without the mic. So थोड़ा सा टेक्निकल ग्लिच हो गया है, हम लोग का एक माइक थोड़ा काम नहीं कर रहा है. मेरी आवाज़ इतनी बुलंद नहीं है, वरना मैं चिल्लाती थी, but I'm sorry for this. So next on the ramp is Shubhangi Kundal. I welcome Shubhangi.
This evening is all about the cause. What's most important is cause, what we are here for. Second is to appreciate all these people who are just putting that much confidence, trying to come up on stage, and we get a chance to meet him also at the same time. I think cause is for me the most important thing we're doing, and telling the confidence about all these people.
सर्व बसलेला सगळ्यांना माझा नमस्कार आणि शुभ संध्याकाळ. मी शुभांगी विठ्ठल कुंदर. मी टिळकनगर शेंबूर येथे राहते. आणि मी एक व्यावसायिका आहे. आमचा स्वतःचा ट्रॅव्हल्सचा बिझनेस आहे. एक गृहिणीसुद्धा आहे. आणि माझी आवड म्हणाल तर पहिली गोष्ट म्हणजे सकारात्मक राहणे हा माझा लहानपणापासूनचा म्हणजे छंद आहे. आणि गाण्यांची आवड आहे, फोटोग्राफीची तर फारच आवड आहे. फोटो काढून घेणे, फोटो काढणे आणि योगा करणे आणि सकारात्मक राहणे तर माझं अंगातच भरलेलं आहे. बस, थँक्यू. मराठी प्रश्न विचारेल ना.
आपल्या आजूबाजूच्या लोकांच्या डे टू डे बिहेवियर जे असतात त्यामध्ये तुम्हाला कोणता बदल पाहायला आवडेल? हो, आपल्या घरात म्हणजे जसं लोक बिहेव करतात तिथे त्या बिहेवियरमध्ये तुम्हाला कोणतं चेंज बघायला?
ते नेहमी सगळ्यांनी म्हणजे नेहमी रोज बदल होतच असतात आपल्या बिहेवियरमध्ये. पण सगळ्यांनी जरा सकारात्मक राहण्याचा विचार करत राहिला पाहिजे. आपण नेहमी निगेटिव्ह विचार करता तर तो खालीच जाणार. तुम्ही जरी मला आता जरी मी असे खूप भाग घेतले छोट्या मोठ्या ह्याच्यात, पण मी नेहमी सकारात्मकच राहते. मला प्राईज मिळो किंवा नको मिळो ती पुढची गोष्ट आहे. आणि माझ्या मैत्रिणी पण हेच म्हणत की तुझी आम्हाला हीच गोष्ट खूप आवडते की नाही मुझे जाना ही है, मैं जाऊंगी. पण तसं सगळ्यांनी हेच सडवायचं की बरे आपल्याला काही हो न हो पण छानपैकी सकारात्मक विचार करा तर त्याच्यात बदल आपोआप होत जाणार सगळ्यांचा. थँक्यू.
Good evening, jury members and all my friends. My name is Isha Kalveja. I am retired income tax administrative officer. I am 62 years old. I am here just to do the second inning and do something which is for good cause. I thank the Madhu Madam ji, our anchor and all the members who are here who have made us presentable. I thank everyone. Thank you.
How do you practice basic civic sense at home, on the road, or in public places?
Be positive and try to be presentable and talk politely with everyone, whether it be small child or the elderly person. That's the thing I do. Thank you.
I wish you all a warm evening. And my name is Pragati Priyade. I work as a tarot card reader on Astro Sage app. And I have also learned Vastu, Vedic astrology, pranic healing and Reiki. And my hobbies include traveling to archaeological places, ancient monuments, ancient heritage places. I also rescue animals, especially stray cats, and I help stray animals, dogs and all. And apart from that, I also do blogging, YouTube and Instagram reels. So follow me on Priya Organic. And thank you.
Hi, Pragati. Hi, Pragati.
Hello.
Hi, Pragati. I would like to ask you one thing. How important is cleanliness and discipline in public places to you? In public places.
Cleanliness is next to godliness. So if we are clean, we are more closer to God. And the more there is untidiness or dirt, there is more sickness, more bad health, more related problems. So being clean is not just for the heck of it. We should do it because it will always help us in the long run and keep our society clean, help the people. So it's our sole purpose to keep cleanliness. So we have to imbibe in it, and even the government should be more strict and with the people, with the society, the way the garbage and all are managed. So that's it. Thank you.
Good evening, Abhishek sir and jury and all present here. I am Savita Verma. I am 52 years old and I am from basically from Delhi, but I am residing here in Mumbai. I am a wife of a banker and I have 2 children and I like to cook. And I do in the free time, I pass my time doing meditation and I like gardening also. So this way I go for it and definitely. Thank you.
My question to you is, what as per you is the definition of beauty? Beauty का मतलब आपके लिए क्या है?
Beauty जो हम कहते हैं सुंदरता है. So beauty is not the looks you are looking, the personality you carry with you and how you present to the society. And daily we groom with ourselves or like we go for makeup, everything. So it doesn't matter whether you are looking smart or you should have a good heart. And like you should feel, I think so, bacha inside every day and you will groom from that inside. So this is the part of the beauty also and this makes totally your personality great.
Thank you. Thank you.
Professionally, I'm a dentist and aspiring model and actor. So I am a content creator also and I do influencer marketing also. So my dream is to work at the Lakme Fashion Week for designers like Manish Malhotra and Sabyasachi. That are my dream designers. So and I believe on myself. Thank you so much.
So my question to you is, how do you balance personal freedom with responsibility in the society?
I'm so pro because I'm staying away. Yes? Yes, thank you so much. That is a big compliment because after 10th, I have been staying away from my parents and family. So I am quite responsible person in my personal life and professional life also. So I feel proud of myself for that. I think so.
social show, as we said, it's cause show. आपको क्या लगता है कितनी पॉजिटिव सोशल बिहेवियर? आपको क्या लगता है इस टाइप के शो कितना पॉजिटिव प्लेटफॉर्म देते हैं पब्लिक को टू हेल्प ईच अदर? ये जो शो जिसका जो टाइप है Okay, I just want to say, just जैसे this shows for the cause, what do you think? कि ऐसे shows क्या social platform देते हैं लोगों को और fashion?
एक्चुअली मेरा कहना ऐसा है कि जैसा आपने पूछा मुझे क्या ये देते हैं, तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जिस चीज़ के लिए ये ऑर्गेनाइज किया गया है, मैंने सुना कि कोई NGO है, सो इस तरह से अगर एक ऐसे प्लेटफॉर्म्स आए, और मैं तो फर्स्ट टाइम कर रही हूँ तो मुझे इतना नहीं पता, लेकिन मैं दिल से चाहती हूँ कि इसमें से जो भी चीज़ें हो किसी ज़रूरतमंद को उसकी अगर हेल्प हो रही है तो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी।
Good evening, Abhishek sir. Good evening, Julie. I am a financial controller at IBIS Mobile. I have almost 13 years experience with Accor Hotels and currently working in IBIS Mobile.
Okay. In your opinion, what small step can make India more conscious and respectful society?
आज की तारीख में अगर इंडिया का एक ये जो देख रहे हैं, जैसे मोदी जी का एक नया भारत जो बन रहा है, वो एक अलग लेवल पे लेके जा रहे हैं मोदी जी, और इसके लिए हम जितना भी कंट्रीब्यूशन कर सकते हैं एज अ इंडियन वो हम कर ही रहे हैं, और इसके लिए वो जो भी है वो अच्छा ही होगा इन फ्यूचर।
अश्विनी जी, मेरा सवाल आपसे ये है कि अभी जो न्यूज़ में ये चल रहा है स्ट्रे एनिमल्स को लेके, सुप्रीम कोर्ट बहुत कुछ बोलने की कोशिश कर रहा है, आपको क्या लगता है क्या करना चाहिए? क्या एनिमल्स को जेल में डाल देना चाहिए जैसे वो बोल रहे हैं कि उनको शेल्टर्स में डाल देना चाहिए, या आपको लगता है कि एनिमल्स को जीने का हक है?
मतलब लोगों को जो एनिमल्स ऐसे है कि उनसे डर लगता है तो उनको पकड़ के जंगल में नहीं देना चाहिए, लेकिन जेल में तो नहीं रखना चाहिए। अभी कुछ मतलब एनिमल्स के जो छोटे लड़कों के लिए जो देखने के लिए वो थोड़ा बहुत है वो ठीक है, लेकिन ज़्यादातर तो नहीं होना चाहिए।
Good evening everyone, including our respected judges, our chief guests and all the lovely audience and everyone present here. I'm Neha Singh from Mumbai. By profession I'm a writer and a marketer, and by passion I'm an actress like you, like actor. be it on any platform. The platform can be big or small, that does not matter. What matters is me doing it and fulfilling the process is the prize for me.
What changes do you think the society should make for betterment of women? It needs to bring in for uplifting and betterment of women.
Thank you for the question. I believe that although we do believe in feminism, that women are as equal as men are, still there are certain sections of the society which still treat women being attached to certain responsibilities of the household. So I think that should change to equality, like we should divide the task. It should not be gender specific, and even in profession, even in offices, it has been seen that there is pay parity, like the salary that for the same profile, sometimes the men are paid more. So be it Bollywood also, this pattern has been seen. So I think this change should be reflected across everywhere. So that would help uplift women, because when you uplift the women, you influence the entire family thinking. I believe that women are gifted with a certain intuition, they make good decisions. So she will also be mindful of the men in her family. So I think that will be good for both men and women. We walk hand in hand.
Thank you, nice one.
हेलो एवरीवन, मेरा नाम शर्मिला जैन है। मैं प्रोफेशनल मेकअप आर्टिस्ट और ब्यूटिशियन हूँ, भाईंदर से हूँ। और मेरे शौक ही लिए थोड़ा मॉडलिंग करना, अभी लास्ट 1 ईयर से ही कर रही हूँ मैं। 6 मंथ 1 ईयर हो गया है। थैंक यू।
What inspires you to have a western blazer? It's not a question वो आपसे पूछेगी। जस्ट जनरल ये कि आपने एक ब्लेजर पहना है और साथ में नाक में ये लगाया है, जो टिपिकल ट्रेडिशन और वेस्टर्न का जो फ्यूजन है, वो सभी टचेस ने आप में बहुत क्लियर उभर के और दिख के आ रहा है। तो इसको आपको किसने इंस्पायर किया आपको ये चीज़ करने के लिए?
ये मैंने खुद ने ही सारा ये किया हुआ है। इवन मैंने अपना मेकअप, अपना हेयर स्टाइल सारा मैंने खुद ने ही किया हुआ है, और ड्रेसिंग भी मेरा खुद का ही है ऐसे। और मैंने इंडियन और वेस्टर्न को दोनों को मिक्स करके कुछ अलग करने का सोचा था।
वेरी नाइस, वेरी नाइस।
थैंक यू।
शर्मिला जी, मेरा क्वेश्चन आपके लिए ये है कि मेकअप औरतों के लिए कितना ज़रूरी है?
देखिए, मेकअप तो औरतों के लिए, सभी के लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है, लेकिन अंदर इनर ब्यूटी भी होना बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है। आउटर तो बस हम टेम्परेरी लगा सकते हैं, लेकिन इनर ब्यूटी इज़ मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट। थैंक यू।
Chasing my dreams, sharing my passions with others, I'm also a Bharatanatyam dancer, strengthening traditional Indian culture to life, and I'm also a karate champion.
Oh wow, wow.
भाग्य क्या? Okay. I'd like to give youngsters about respecting people and public places.
Youngsters respecting people and public places is like nowadays next to impossible. But yeah, they should first of all respect at their home. Respect starts at home, and they should respect their elders like dadi, nani, dadaji. So nowadays it is not seen, but youngsters should get keep their mobiles away and instas away and help someone and be in a social cause mode so that they'll be empowering our Indian society as well in the future. Thank you.
Is running for 15 years and we have faced a lot of ups and downs. So every event, every experience is different, but we learn from it. And I also tell people that never give up. Even if we are down today, we one day come up. Everybody time comes. And the focus of this organization is for people to release stress, to enjoy life, to enjoy different events. And today when we welcome Mr. Abhishek Ji at our event, we now want to bring this to the next level. And I would also say that the purpose of this is we do different types of events to spread joy and happiness, to help people release stress. And when I say walk for a social cause, it also means that when people are stressed out in life, they have no one to talk to, so we should help and give good advice. That's all I have to say. So I always encourage people to keep coming and never give up.
श्याम
मारो दीजिए शिशु
हाँ फ्रेम दो मैम बस इधर देख लो चलेगा
Awards to
nature. That's it, just one hand. Okay. Yeah, great. Very nice, yes. Okay, so spirituality, first of all, has nothing to do with religion. I hope we all are very clear about that, right? Yeah? So great. So कुछ चीज़ें अगर आप एक चीज़ जो मैं हमेशा लोगों से कहती हूँ, there are two very important things to have a healthy life. Okay? आप जैसे अपने फिजिकल बॉडी का ख्याल रखते हैं, आज की डेट में ऑफकोर्स मेंटल हेल्थ की भी बहुत बातें होती है, राइट? वी ऑल टॉक अ लॉट अबाउट मेंटल हेल्थ, करेक्ट? Yeah, but apart from physical health and mental health, spiritual health is also very important. Okay? Why is it important? Because if you are spiritually not strong, you will mentally and physically incline. Okay? I'm sorry, decline.
ये मौसम लगे प्यारा जग सारा छूकर मेरे मन को
क्या
Let's cheer her, Janvi!
लगाओ लाओ कैमरा लेना वाला पति वाला फोटो कट लेना तो मैंने जाओ लेना हो
क्या नहीं क्या
हाँ तो मतलब
मैं जो शाम को जाऊँ बस क्या भी करो पर हालत क्या बैठ में भी खबर बड़ी लगी क्या सब इसमें बड़ी लगी सब कार करा
फोटो तो तारा
हाँ ना
was affidavit Bohoshi.
बोला वो नहीं दूंगी और पैसे कुछ भी करो वो भी मैं हेलो बैटरी चार्जिंग अलग है ना मोबाइल मोबाइल चार्जिंग अलग ना तुम्हारे नाम મળે ફોન કરો તો તરત જવાબ દે તમારી કડક ખાઈ નહીં પડી
सैंपल दिख के तो नजर नहीं कोई पैसे में सैंपल नहीं दिख रहा support. मारवाड़ी मारवाड़ी जैन मारवाड़ी जैन लोग
Thank you so much, Isha ma'am. Thank you so much, Abhishek sir. I request Isha to sit on the. And today, whatever choreography you have been seeing, guys, you have been seeing throughout life to have its own challenges. Thank you, Govind. Thank you, Abhishek sir, for the award, and congratulations, Govind, about his past. So no regrets. And today the award is presented to Chandrasekhar by Mr. Abhishek sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations. Wonderful attire, the Indo-Western theme. Congratulations, Sharmila, for the award. Can I have Kanti here? She's a wonderful poet, guys, and she. Congratulations, Savita. तालियां बड़ी कम बजा रहे सब in the world and really mark her presence in this Bollywood industry. Congratulations.
Okay, just click with the. Yeah.
इधर देखिए मैडम.
Surya, come forward.
Like the moment titles today, and it is really wonderful for these beautiful participants, these beautiful models today. तो तालियां बनती है एक बार.
Anu, come forward. Always smiling.
उल्टा.
Throw the crown first. Crown. Yep.
We have some music please. चलती रहनी चाहिए धीरे पीछे. Light music please.
Group. Shekhar has been talking to everybody. He's moving around. He's socializing the most. The heart of the group, Shekhar. Congratulations. Keep smiling, keep laughing. Wow, The last word, the top runners up and the song still coming. Very graceful actually.
आगे जाइए.
Big round of applause for Shangri.
खराब हो जाता है.
And I think she's a very good woman. And she's a magic girl today for us. Guys, give it up for Prachi guys. Fantastic. Congratulations, Prachi to you. Big round of applause, guys.
अरे ना अखबार में दे रहा हूँ.
Look at the smiles of these wonderful faces.
Our third runner-up for tonight goes to Amrita as a third runner-up. Give it a big hand, everybody.
Congratulations, Amar.
Crown भी है और एक
Of the show. Congratulations, Shekha.
मधु का forward.
And finally, the moment is here. The winner for the evening is going to be 5, 4,
मैडम आप बैठ जाइए ना.
2, 1. Winner!
first runner-up.
आप बैठिए नहीं तो जरूर तो उठिए. लाइट रुक रहा है.
देखिए पहले दोनों को
ये सब लाइट मेरे खा रहे हैं.
फाइनल मोमेंट है, रुको मत लो.
Put your hands together, everyone. Light and
इधर देखिए.
Madhu will also join in.
Madhu, please come this side.
Madhu this side.
इधर इधर इधर.
उनका आप समझे नहीं.
I thank everybody who came and supported our event. A friend in need, Walk for a Cause, and award show. I thank also the Rude Lounge for giving us the space, and I thank everybody, the whole team, and especially Mr. Abhishek Ji for making time for us. And the purpose of our group is to bring happiness in people's life in different ways through different events and to relieve stress from people. So I hope you all come and encourage us, and in future we will do more and more big events. Thank you.
It's been a lovely, long afternoon, and the event has been graced by so many special awardees out here tonight. It has been a very difficult time judging these awardees, but I really thank Madhu for such a noble cause taking this initiative forward, and all the best to her future ventures going forward, and all the best to all the participants who have won tonight. Thank you very much.
Hello, I am Amrita. So I am so grateful to Madhu ma'am for given such a good opportunity, and I am also feeling so happy to work for a cause for Madhu ma'am. So yeah, I need a mentor or my mother like a figure, Madhu, in my life for my further career also. So thank you so much ma'am. Thank you so much.
Great to be a part of AFN, and it's great to see Madhu do such amazing work. And of course, when you do work for any kind of NGOs and when you help, the ones in need, it's always great. So God bless you, Madhu.
Hi, I just want to say that the cause mixed with the fun, it's an amazing event, amazing night. Congrats to everyone, congrats to Madhu. And I say one thing, we say the big shows, but they started like this, where few people being together, appreciating each other, giving prizes, and a person like this be a part of it. And I just wish that will become big very soon.
यहाँ पर बहुत अच्छा लगा. मधु जी ने मेरे मित्र हैं, छोटे भाई अमित चेतवानी, उन्होंने बोले कि सर मधु जी एक चैरिटी कर रही हैं और मैं चाहता हूँ कि आप जाइए. बोला ठीक है. तो मुझे पसंद भी आया, अच्छा भी लगा, लोगों का प्यार मिला और ये बोलते हैं ना भूलने वाली चीज़ है, अविश्वसनीय है और लोगों का साथ रहे तो कारवां ऐसे ही चलता रहे, सब हंसते खेलते रहें, खुश रहें, स्वस्थ रहें, मस्त रहें, मेरी यही दुआ रहेगी और खूब सारा तरक्की करें इन लोग अपने अपने फील्ड में, अपने अपने मैदान में अपना नाम कमाएं, खूब तरक्की करें, यही चाहूँगा।
Thank you so much.